guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Petra, and welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you're not. So thanks so much for tuning in. I don't know, that sounds old school. So today I'm going to do this look, more of an editorial kind of a look. I decided I've been very inspired by all these, like, I don't know, very editorial-esque looks that are out there that I've been seeing a lot of lately, just getting really creative. So that's what I'm doing today. So you guys can probably see too that I have a new background. I've been trying to play around, make something kind of cool, I don't know, different. I'm just ready to kind of get away from just the black and the white backgrounds. The white background actually really annoyed me last week because it was like bumpy and it just didn't look right and the lighting was weird. I didn't like it. I put my video up anyways, which you can still watch right here. I'll go ahead and put it in. I went out and got some new backdrops and we'll see how these work out. So anyways, I'm not gonna blab any further and let's go ahead and just get into the video. So I'm using the Morphe 350 palette and I'm gonna go into this kind of like just white shade. They don't have names because it's Morphe and they're cheap. So anyways, it's fine. The palette's really cheap. So I'm just gonna kind of set everything. I have like a primer down and I just want to kind of make it so everything I put on goes on nice and smooth. This is a Sephora Pro, I think, Precision Crease. It's a Pro Tapered Crease, number 19 brush. And then I'm just going to go a little bit into the crease with this shade right here in the Morphe palette, just a little bit darker. Same brush. Just kind of adding a little bit of depth. I'm going to pull that out and pull it into my nose. Okay, so I've been really liking these mood crayons by Linda Hallberg. This one is a bright green shade and the shade is called Calm. So I think I'm going to first start doing something underneath my eye with this. Start drawing underneath. I'm gonna kind of follow that shadow out. I'm taking her brush. This is the Linda Hallberg 333 brush. Just an angled pencil brush. This green is sick. Make this pointed. I'm liking how that's looking. You guys are probably like, she looks like a crazy comic character or something. I don't know. It's just kind of fun. I kind of want to blend it into a darker green. So she has another crayon. It's called Avoir. It's called Avoir, I think is how it's pronounced. It's right here, and it's like a metallic. It's like a metallic green, which is really cool looking. So I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna start out on the outer edge. I'm gonna bring it up this way. Kind of on my brow bone because my crease tends to go away. Okay, and then before that dries, I'm going to blend it really quickly. Blend it. It almost like looks blue. I didn't realize how blue it looked next to the bright green, but I kind of like it. I feel like it might be cool to do something different in the middle, like I don't know what yet. I'm gonna actually go in with Calm, the green again, and then I'm going to kind of clean this up. So we're gonna bring this in to like, wait, oh my gosh, skin, stop moving so much. Then I'm going to actually fill in the lid all right along here. So I'm gonna actually connect this. And I'm gonna do it quickly because I need to blend it. Okay, so I'm gonna blend that out really quick. Don't hug my skin. My skin like moves so much. It's like, ugh. Then I'm gonna go back and take Avoir and I'm gonna fill the top part in and then connect it over here. That is looking good and crazy right now, which I kind of like. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and there is a shade in there called Green Emerald, which you can't really tell, but it's kind of a green shade. And I'm going to take my finger and then I'm going to tap over everything I did here in the center. And it kind of like changes the shade a bit to this like really kind of cool, lightish mint kind of green. And then I am going to take the blue Sapphire shade. I'm going to take another brush. I'm going to take the Linda Hallberg one I was using, the 303, and I'm going to take that one and put it on the Avoir shade. Go back in with the Avoir shade a little bit to darken up the outer corners again. Feeling like I need something more on the bottom, and I'm not sure what I want to do or what I want to line that with. I'm going to take Linda Hallberg's Flash Crayon in a deep navy blue, and I think that'll actually be a good contrast to the green. So I'm going to take that, and it's also a metallic, so I'm going to kind of take that underneath here. Need a liner brush again. Use this one, this Real Techniques, kind of just blend that line. Got the liner on, I kind of like cleaned up a little bit. Now I'm going to take this Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take this shade right here on that liner brush, and I'm going to just kind of, I don't want to lose all the green, so I'm taking that shade to kind of take underneath the cool shimmer in there. Okay, so I'm gonna go and fix my concealer, and then I'm gonna put on lashes with this look. I'm thinking I want to do lashes with this funky eye look, and then I will be back after that. All right, you guys, I am back, and this is the eyes with some lashes. I used these are the Ardell Glamour lashes. These were the like lashes that I used way back when I first started using lashes occasionally. They're the Demi 102s, and I feel like they are the best. They just have like, they're really nice and kind of separated, but they're not like totally overpowering my eyes, so I really like that. So now I'm gonna go in with some contour and a lip and kind of highlight and finish up the look a little bit. So I think I'm gonna go back in with the Alchemist palette. I'm gonna take that, I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush I was using. I'm going to go into that Green Emerald shade, and I'm going to highlight up here on the brow bone. Just kind of lightly. I wanted a little bit more up there on top, and I'm just going to blend that out with my finger. Just kind of fade it. I love all the fun stuff that's out there that you can create, so many cool looking things. And I'm no makeup artist, I just, you know, I just have fun like creating all these looks. Okay, and then also a trick that I did with my lower lashes is I don't know, they're not super long lashes on my bottom lashes, but I pinch them together like after they get a little bit tacky with mascara to kind of create that like separated kind of look, which I don't know how much is showing up on camera, but they're all a little bit like kind of separated, kind of like the top lashes are a little bit, so I kind of thought it would go well with this look. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with contour. So I'm going to go with the Shade and Light palette, And I'm gonna go in with these two shades right there at the top. I'm gonna go in with this MAC. I've had this forever. The number's worn off, but it looks like this. It's like a MAC contour brush. I'm just gonna go in with these two shades. Whoa, I always forget how pigmented. So I'm just gonna contour this out. And then I'm going to go in with a blush. I want to use like a peachy kind of blush. I'm going to use, ooh, I know. I'm going to use my good old Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso, which is very popular. I feel like this blush I could totally end up going through. Like it actually hitting pan, which nothing of mine ever hits pan, so I think it'll be nice if I if I actually got through a blush. Okay, and then I'm going to go in, so this is what I'm gonna do, I think, with this look. Linda Hallberg has this crayon in Likeable that's a bright orange shade. It looks like that. I'm gonna go in with my lip with this bright orange. I thought it'd be kind of fun to go in with like kind of a crazy lip. And I don't think this is gonna look too crazy on me because my skin tone's a little bit darker than Linda Hallberg's. It really stands out on her because she has a more fair skin tone, but I don't know, the orange is, it's fun. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with that. I hope I don't look like a Ronald McDonald mouth. Okay, and it is drying down now a little bit. And so I'm gonna actually put a touch of lip balm over the top. And then I'm going to just kind of dab it with my finger. It just looks like a nice peach kind of summer shade on me, I think. It's so funny. I'm like, whoa. I mean, it is very bright. Like, I think it's showing up a little brighter for me than it is for you guys, but it's still like just a nice brighter peach. I could wear it in the summertime even, just for a fun different lip, I guess. The last thing I'm gonna do is go in with highlight, and I'm gonna go in back again with that green emerald shade from the Alchemist palette. And I'm just gonna take this brush. This is a Real Techniques contour brush, actually. And I'm just gonna dab into that green emerald. All right, you guys, so this is it. This is the finished look with my crazy cool greenish bluish eye. Very little editorial today, decided to go with. And you guys will have to let me know what you think of the look. Feel free to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and all that stuff. As I always say, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye.